Alright guys, so we're gonna have a midnight ride with Patrick, and possibly we're gonna meet Richie. I just woke up, so it's already 12:30 a.m. Midnight ride, guys. Just want to try first time. I'm packing the heat, so hopefully I'll be safe. Alright guys, let's get
Alright Sultan, you better wake up. 12:30 a.m. still early, guys. So meet us, Sultan, coffee at your house, coffee at the safest gas station here in Stockton. And then I'm packing the heat, I mentioned already, so hopefully we'll be safe. Alright guys. Of this bike, guys. I'm gonna fill up her first gas. So how much? Oh, $5 only. Nice. Good. Alright, let's turn it up. Alright, so suddenly it was $5 and it was $5 earlier. Now it's $5.15. God damn it. System is cheating, guys. Let's get out of here and meet Patrick. Patrick! Yeah. Oh shit!
That shit is nice, bro. Holy fuck, bro.
Safe ba rito, Brad?
Yes, I live around here, bro.
Fucking almost 1 o'clock ride, huh? Let me text, Ooh, look at how she's out. Woo-wee.
Tinanggal mo na ano?
Yung alin?
Ba't di mo ano to?
Tinanggal na alin. I told you, man, I need a tank pad.
Take this shit out. Shee! Look at that, baby! Damn!
Pare, alam ko maraming itim dito. Alam ko maraming itim dito.
Yeah.
Narinig ako.
Holy shit.
Sultan, papunta na kami dyan. Gising. Oh, nag-ride kami ni Patrick. Oh, almost 1 a.m. na. Gising, Brad. Ulta, minsan lang to. Sana. Alright, guys. We're about to ride. 1 a.m. ride, guys. First time in the history of me riding at night. Yun, no? Oh, puta. It's warm, ah. Pero kayo naman andar, medyo malamig, eh. Ayos. Pero ito, abot ko kaysa sa M1000 RR ko.
So?
Mas ano to, eh. Mas reachable yung ground.
Mababata konti.
Tapos nagbabago siya ng valve pag nag first gear. Oo, puta ka na. Nagbabago siya. Oo nga, eh. Nag-jobot ko pa kami. Tutupitaw siya. Ready? Tara. Tunda lang kita, Brad. Ayun. Oo nga, nagbabago, eh. Yun, no? Guys, the blue collar people, guys. Hindi ko nakita yun ah. Ayun na yun ano, Korean barbecue. May karaoke dyan. May karaoke dun. Bakit nagdaan dito? Utang na. Wala. Copy yan. Tangin na, walang copy yan. Wala. Pati yung Dutch Bros sarado. Ayun na, cruise it. Yan, okay. Ay, putang ina. Hindi kumana ang puta. There he is. He's gonna cruzade. There you go. St. Joe's right there. See, pare, it works. It works. Oh, tangina. Okay. Oh, tangina, taas ko na. Nakuha ko siya. Film ko lang, ayun oh. Wala, sarado na yan. Puta yun dahil tao, deja vu. Guys, deja vu. When I was new here in the US, most of my friends brought me here, but I didn't enjoy because my time there was no attractive women. It's all, you know what I'm saying. So we just swing by and we're out of here. I don't want to go inside. If I see something nice there or some puputa, someone nice, deja vu. Saan tayo babasok? Front close. Doon tayo siguro sa ano. Saan tayo dadaan yan? Kaliwa tayo, tapos U-turn tayo sa Hammer Lane. Pwede ba? Ayun, tara. Kaliwa na tayo. Ha? Ayun na tayo. Hammer pala to. Ay, asa ka ba? Oh, yung nakikita yung mukha ko eh. Ayun oh. Patrick oh. Red Ducatis. Bilis kang paa mo. Bilis ng reflex ha. Ano, walang katao-tao rito ha. Alright guys, we're here at 8 Mile now. The new gas station built 2024.
Sarado pala.
Ay hindi, 24 hours to pare.
Sige ba, patayin ko na.
Patay mo na, sige. Alright guys, we're just gonna have a iced coffee here and then I'm gonna run after. Alright, teka, walk around muna. You know, galing kami Lodi, so for sure maraming bugs guys.
Not even that, we took the fucking side road, dude.
I know, the dust too. Fucking dirt all over our face.
Not that much.
Alright guys, time to go home. We met some young bloods here at the gas station. We were convincing them to get a bike.
To go to Deja Vu, bro.
Huh?
And to go to Deja.
Yeah, the young bloods. May baseball bat pa.
That's for the homeless, bro.
Ah, for the homeless? Hold on, where's my key? That was a fun ride, pare. We should do this more often, pare. Gawin natin ito lagi pag ano, pag night ride, pare. Sarap pag night ride eh. Yun, no? Uwi, ano pare? Ano tayo ha? Sige, text na lang, pre. Riding, guys.